Tautalatala, and welcome back to our Tautalatala show. And we've got an amazing panel. Amazing! Starting off with my favorite actress, being you see her on magazine, TV, everything. Please give it up for Frankie Adams! Yeah! Woohoo! And next to her, we have a producer, writer, everything, but the biggest movie role he ever had was Captain Fury on the Avengers! Kightley! Wow! And you can never forget my favorite athlete, playing with him now, a New Zealand warrior. Please give it up for Tuivaiti! Wow! Thanks guys for coming on our show today. So let's go over to our next video message.
Hi Aunty Tala, I just got a question. I don't want to be rude, but do you reckon schools should provide better sex education?
Wow, I think that's a very important question. Right? Well, I guess we can start with you, Frankie. What do you think about that question?
I think that there does. I went through sex ed at school.
Yeah.
So but I went to an all-girls school, so maybe it's different for co-ed. It was good. It teaches you a lot, but I think there definitely isn't enough in all the schools.
Wow.
I'm not sure. Did you have sex ed?
No, not in my school.
Why not?
Yeah, because it's an all-boys school, and we had no.
But you're a girl.
Now, what about you, Oscar? As an older gentleman,
Yes.
in your time in school, did you go through this type of course in your school?
Yeah, I remember being young ages ago, and like there was a Samoan film came on called Sons for the Return Home, and it came on TV, and we were all allowed to watch it because it was a Samoan film. But then they started having sex, and then we had to go to sleep.
Yeah, it was like that in my
Just at the kissing part, and I'd like to think, I'm not going to be like that. If that happens, I'm going to stop the TV and say, okay kids, here's a PowerPoint presentation. Here are some of the issues you need to be aware of. But chances are I'll probably do the same and just make them and just trust that their friends will teach them as they go.
Yeah, but I think it's very important since it comes from home too.
Yeah.
You know, what about you, Kate? When you have a children and something like that where the girl is kissing a boy on the TV, are you going to turn off and do the prayer or the kids or put them to sleep? Or block their eyes? What are you going to do? Throw the TV around?
Probably that last one. But I think it's been spread around anyway, whether we teach it or not. Somebody else's parents are telling their kids it, and then they're going to school and telling everyone else. So it's getting around. I guess it's the message we want to send.
Yeah.
Don't have sex, or do it properly, or like the repercussions of having kids really early. Like just getting the message across better than don't do it at all, because very rebellious like yourself. If we say don't eat that, you'll probably want to eat that.
Yeah.
Naughty.
Them children everywhere. Yeah. Well, I guess, Kat, what can you say to Amanda about what she asked?
Well, Amanda, who you actually look like a Maxine, but whatever, Amanda will do. You might have benefited from a little sex education, I can tell by that little rugrat you're carried around. But yeah, we do need more education, but we need to direct it properly into doing it properly and not doing it at all. So that's what I think.
Wow.
Yeah,
Thank you for that, Kat. I like your approach. It's just straight up.
Thank you.
Just like how you play that
straight shooter.
Yeah, the way she runs up the board. Anyway, what about for you, Oscar? What can you say to Amanda to help her with this CYN?
Well, I think, Amanda, it's great that you're asking this, and that if that is your child, then maybe as a parent and your child's at school, you can be more proactive about the kind of education your kids exposed to. So, I think just good on you for asking these questions, and all the best with the young one.
Yeah, good. Thank you. I think you make a great father.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Thanks.
Well, you're going to find out soon. Okay, what about you, Frankie? What would you like to say to help out Amanda?
Hi Amanda. I don't think that there's enough sex education, but maybe they should find more creative ways to do it, like still life.
Still alive.
Yeah. maybe that.
Yeah, I think Frankie still needs some sex education yourself. So, well, obviously you needed some sex education because you were young and you had a young baby as well. Not like me, I had no sex education. Well, I had no sex at all. Anyway, so you can help just by sharing your experience together with what's happening at school, and that will make everyone a lot more sexier. So hope to see you on our program again, but not with another baby. Okay, see you next week, same time, same place. Bye.